Hi everybody, welcome to Doodle Buddies with Nosh. So last month there was a competition to give a makeover to the Dollar Tree pizza pan, and although I bought the pizza pan, but my makeover was not ready in time, so I did not participate in it. But anyway, today I'm sharing the tutorial that I eventually made. If you've seen my mason jar makeover tutorial, I've used exactly the same technique on glass, which is I'm using hot glue to give the effect of hobnails. I've hot glued tiny circle shapes all around the edge of the pizza pan, and once it dries, I've then used some chalk paint to give it a first coat. This is the first coat. Then on I gave it 2 more coats, although at this stage I wish I would have given it a 4th coat as well. Next I'm using the black IKEA candle stand as a base. I've given it 3 coats of the chalk paint, and once it was dry, I used some E6000 on the edge as well as the hot glue, and I glued it in the center of the pizza pan. And I've eyeballed it, honestly. I've not taken any measurements. So that's what I did. Glued it in the center. Now the glue is on the edge or on the rim of the candle stand, not in the center, because that is a little deeper, that's why. And yeah, that's just about it. I gave it 24 hours to dry. Now I have not painted at the base of the back of the pizza pan, because I know that won't be seen invariably. This is such a simple DIY, but the effect is stunning. So if you have a candle stand maybe at home, or maybe a jar at home, you could use that as well as a base, a glass jar. And if you have a pizza pan or a tray, you could use that as well. So that's it for now. Thank you for visiting me today. If you like my tutorial, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Like it and share this video too. If you have any questions, please write in the comments. Thank you again. Bye-bye.